as you guide as we guys already know about the ECFMG certification in our last video. Now this is some queries like how a graduate person can go and upload their forms. Okay, instead of student you have to click on graduate in this portion, or after all the thing ECFMG certification will ask you about the school if you want to attend it, and you have to add the credits and course title, all the things. For transcript you have to upload, and secondly all the thing will be same. But for the credentials verification, if you are guys a graduated, then you have to make some extra steps. Like if you are a graduate, you have to select the graduate and you have to make the degree title Doctor of Medicine, when it will be degree date issues and all the things, and ECFMG certification. If you want to add school you can add, otherwise no. For the transfer credits, the same thing as a student are going to upload. You have to upload the transcript and save all the things. After that there is a name documentations. Is the name on your document different from your current name in your mind? If yes, you want to change, you can change. And then there will be in the transcript translation, you have to upload your transcript here, and you have to add more score if you want. Again you go for the ECM certification and you have to click the next. And if you're a graduate, you have to click the but your diploma has not been used. So if you having a diploma, you have to upload your diploma here. And after that the name of the documentation will be entered, like which thing you are going to upload. Understand? Same all the things, there will be ECFMG certification summary will be here, and then in the last all the thing will be mentioned. You can also review, and but instead you have to pay extra. If you guys check in my last video, in my card there was only for the students, like who are student going to apply for ECFMG verification certification, there was only fee of applicant of ECFMG certification, that was $560. But after adding your credentials like one diploma and one transcript, it will also become $200, like $100 for each document. And now you have paid all the fee, and you guys know how to pay the fee. You have to click to the proceed to the payment, add the card detail, billing address, all the thing, and you will be